Hello, this video is to help support you with matching situations and expressions. So in this Desmos matching, we're looking at situations, expressions, and then simplified answers. So I'm going to make this a little easier on myself and kind of organize these where like, here's my expressions, here's my solutions over here. Just visually, it's hard for me to look when it's all mumble jumbled. Okay, so then I'm going to pull my situations up right here. Maybe I'm going to actually move these down. So that way I can look at my four situations. I can look at my expressions all together. Ooh, okay. So which one looks easiest to me? I think this one looks easiest to me, so I'm going to start with this one. On here, I'm going to start at the bottom at 0, and I'm going positive 10, then I'm going back 8 or negative 8, and then forward or positive 6. So this is visualize Cecile on a tightrope, going up 10, back 8, up 6. So which expression matches with that? Positive 10, negative 8, positive 6. And if I look right here, I see, okay, yeah, this expression is going with that one. Great. That one's done. Okay, so now look at Melissa expression. Melissa had $12.50, but spent $4.50 on a smoothie. Then she found a dollar at a bus stop. So I'm looking for something that I start with $12.50, spent would be minus or plus a negative, and then found a dollar, that would be plus. Okay, so let's see if I can find that expression, and I see right here, I start with $12.50, I add a negative $4.50 for the smoothie, and then I find a dollar at the bus stop. So I'm going to attach those two cards. Okay, let's look at my steps. So in this one, let's look at what's going on. I have days and I have steps. I start on day 1 with 5,000 steps. On day 2, I'm going to walk 6,250 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row. And then day 7, I just kill it with 1,500 steps. So which situation represents this? Well, if I see here, I start with 5,000, and then I 5 times in a row, or 5 times 6,250, plus 1,500. So this equation, or that expression, is going to go with that situation. And then finally, I assume this one goes over here, but let's just check. Chad's dad makes 15 pancakes each morning for breakfast. On each day, Monday through Friday, okay, so that's 5 days, each of the 4 kids in the family ate 3 pancakes, and the leftovers went into the freezer for later. How many pancakes ended up in the freezer? Whew, that's a lot. Okay, let's break it down. So we have on each day, Monday through Friday. So I know Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that's 5 days. So I'm multiplying whatever I'm doing by 5 because I do it for each day. So right here, I can see my 5 is right on the outside. 4 kids in the family ate 3 pancakes. Oh, let's go back up to the top actually. Chad's dad makes 15 pancakes. So I know I start with 15. Then I'm going to say 4 kids each ate 3 pancakes. So 4 times that negative 3 because they're eating it. And I add that to the 15. Multiply that whole thing by 5 because that's going to give me what ends up in the freezer per week. Okay, let's actually zoom in on this one and go ahead and solve it so that we can see what our final solution is. So I want to see, let's do inside and multiplication first. So I have 5 times 15. How many pancakes do the kids eat in total? Well, 4 times negative 3 is going to give me negative 12. And then I see, okay, I'm multiplying 5 by how many pancakes are left over each day. So they eat 12 pancakes and he makes 15. So that gives me 15 plus negative 12, or 15 minus 12, would give me 3 extra pancakes each day. And then finally, 5 times 3, that gives me per week, I have 15 extra pancakes. So 5 times 3 will give me 15 extra pancakes. So I know my solution to this one is 15. So I'm going to clear this and grab my 15 card and match that up. All right, then if I go and look at my solutions over here, let's go ahead and do this solution. So I know that 10 plus negative 8 is going to give me 2, or 10 minus 8 is 2, plus 6, I'll end up at 8. Let's clear this and check to see if that is accurate. If I look on my visual, I can see, yep, I'm right above the 8 on the number line. This solution is 8. All right. Next one, 1250 plus negative 450 plus 1. Okay, so 1250 plus negative 450, or 1250 minus 450. Well, I know 12 minus 4 will give me $8, and 50 cents minus another 50 cents will give me 0. So after the smoothie, I have $8 left, plus I found $1 on the street. So I have a total of $9, and sure enough, I have 9 as one of my solutions. So I'm just going to grab this one, put it in this card stack. All right, then finally, let's go over and look at this card. So I have 5 times 6,250. Then I'm going to add on my 5,000. Then I'm going to add on my 1,500. So 6,250 times 5. I'm just going to multiply that out real quick. Multiplying 0, 25. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 1 is 31. So I have that this is 5,000 plus these middle days right here, right? That's the middle days that we're talking about. 3,100, oh, excuse me, 31,250 plus on that 7th day when I really killed it, 15,000. Okay, so let's add this together. So 5,000 plus 31,250 would give me, let's see, 36,250 plus 15,000. And I'm going to say 36,000 plus 15,000. Well, I know in my hundreds I'm going to have 250 because I have no hundreds that I'm adding. I know I have 6,000 plus another 5,000, so that's going to give me 11,000, and 30,000 plus another 10,000 plus that 1 from my carryover. So 51,250, and sure enough, that's what I have right here. All right, let me clear this section, move my card over. All right. So I'm going to stop this video for support on the next few slides. Go ahead and watch video number 2.